Welcome to Timeless Sparks, where history comes alive and the past illuminates the present. In today's episode, we unfurl the sails and venture into an age of bold ambition, breathtaking discovery, and heartbreaking consequences. The Age of Exploration. The 15th century saw Europe standing on the threshold of transformation. For centuries, European nations had grown prosperous trading with Asia, where silks, spices, and precious goods made fortunes. But then came 1453, the fall of Constantinople. The Ottoman Empire's takeover disrupted the familiar overland trade routes connecting east and west, plunging markets into chaos. Prices soared, supplies dwindled, and European powers faced an urgent question: how to restore access to the riches of the East. The answer, as it turns out, lay in the open seas. Exploration wasn't new, but now it became a national imperative. Portugal and Spain led the charge, creating powerful ships, smarter navigation tools, and planning audacious voyages in search of new trade routes. The Portuguese, starting with explorers like Bartolomeu Dias and Vasco da Gama, charted the long route down the African coast, around the Cape of Good Hope and onward to India. Meanwhile, in Spain, an ambitious Genoese sailor named Christopher Columbus had a radical idea. What if the East wasn't East at all, but West? Surely, beyond the Atlantic, lay Asia's riches. In 1492, Columbus set forth on his gamble. With 3 small ships, the Niña, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria, he sailed into the unknown, driven by ambition, faith, and a keen sense of destiny. For weeks, his crew battled fear, storms, and the stark reality of endless ocean. Then land appeared, an island in the Caribbean. Columbus believed he had reached the Indies. But history tells us differently. What he had reached was a vast, uncharted world, the Americas. Though Norse explorers like Leif Erikson had touched these shores centuries before, Columbus's journey marked the beginning of sustained contact between Europe and the Western Hemisphere. This was the dawn of profound change, when the old world collided with the new. But this collision wasn't just about discovery. What followed was conquest. Europe's empires spilled into the Americas, claiming territories and encountering magnificent civilizations. Indeed, it's impossible to speak of the Age of Exploration without acknowledging the staggering achievements of indigenous peoples like the Aztec and Inca empires. The Aztecs, in what is now Mexico, built towering cities, complex social systems, and awe-inspiring temples. The Inca Empire sprawled across Peru, connecting its vast domains with roads that rivaled Rome's. Yet, despite these wonders, these civilizations faced destruction. Spanish conquistadors like Hernán Cortés and Francisco Pizarro arrived with guns, horses, and tactics unfamiliar to the native peoples. But their most devastating weapon wasn't visible. It came in the form of disease. Smallpox, measles, and influenza swept through indigenous populations, wiping out millions. The death toll was staggering. An estimated 90% of the indigenous population in some areas perished. Entire societies crumbled. With their people weakened and their leaders killed, the Aztec and Inca empires fell within decades. As indigenous cultures were crushed, European colonization flourished. The languages, laws, and religions of Spain, Portugal, England, and other powers reshaped the Americas. Some settlers sought to create new opportunities or escape persecution, bringing innovation and industry. But alongside invention came exploitation. Native peoples were often enslaved, brutally treated, and robbed of their lands and heritage. Beyond brutality, the age of exploration unlocked an unprecedented wave of global commerce. Spain extracted immense quantities of gold and silver from the Americas, while crops like sugar, tobacco, and cotton, cultivated through forced labor, became staples of European economies. Port cities thrived and international trade soared. But at the heart of this prosperity lay another tragedy, vast in its scale and horror: the Atlantic slave trade. For Europe's colonies to flourish, labor was required, and much of it came from Africa. European traders captured or purchased millions of African men, women, and children, packed them into the bowels of ships in unimaginable conditions, and sent them across the treacherous Atlantic. Those who survived the Middle Passage were condemned to toil in mines, on plantations, and in households under inhumane conditions, their lives and labor stolen. The Atlantic slave trade lasted over 4 centuries, from the 16th to the 19th century, marking one of the darkest chapters in human history. Its legacy isn't confined to the past. Racism, inequality, economic disparities, and displacement continue to shape societies worldwide even today. Looking back, the age of exploration presents a deeply complex, often contradictory, legacy. On one hand, it dramatically expanded horizons. European powers crossed oceans, unlocked new geographical and scientific knowledge, and brought the continents into sustained contact. The voyages of explorers like Magellan, whose crew completed the first circumnavigation of the globe, and Cabot, who landed in North America, set humanity on an irreversible path toward globalization. Cultural exchanges brought new ideas, foods, and innovations, while trade networks connected entire hemispheres for the first time, fundamentally altering diets, economies, and cultures across the globe. But this interconnection came at an immense and often brutal cost, especially for those indigenous populations and enslaved Africans who faced conquest, oppression, enslavement, and the erasure of their ways of life. The age of exploration showcased humanity's remarkable ambition, courage, and ingenuity, while simultaneously exposing its capacity for profound greed, cruelty, and destruction. For every voyage of heroic exploration, there were cities razed, peoples displaced, cultures shattered, and lives stolen. History doesn't offer easy answers to these contradictions, but it is essential that we confront them to understand the world we have inherited. The age of exploration gave birth to the modern world we inhabit today. Its achievements built empires, forged new nations, spurred scientific advancement, and changed the very geography of our planet. Its crimes inflicted wounds that are still healing and remind us of the devastating cost of power unchecked and empathy withheld. Here at Timeless Sparks, we explore these pivotal moments not to celebrate them blindly, nor to condemn them simplistically, but to spark conversation, critical thinking, and reflection. So as we look to the past, let us ask, what can we take forward from this complex inheritance? What lessons remain unlearned? And how can understanding history, in all its complexity, guide us toward building a more just and equitable future? Thank you for joining us on Timeless Sparks. Until next time, keep your curiosity burning and your sense of justice alive. Safe travels, explorers.